me take you once again to another level of excitement. So ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath and look to your left and right as they take on each other. Head on for an enthralling vertical synchro maneuver known as double arrow. Tell you, ladies and gentlemen, the tempo of the display is Ladies and gentlemen, may I request a round of applause for that perfect cross. Close. Do you know what our leader says for this? But for the rotors, we would have been closer. Depict a peacock at its full bloom. I know all the pretty ladies out here would have found it to be something more romantic, I mean a heart. But with a kind of prevalent wit, it is difficult to make a heart what you would like to see. So thank you, leader, and thank you to all the wonderful people present here. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you enjoyed watching the show as much as we did performing in front of you. So until next time, this is the Sarah commentator signing off. Now I hand you over to Mr. Mike.
Thank you very much indeed. Great display. Lovely to see you guys across here. Sorry if we couldn't give you perfect weather, but we at least found a little bit of a gap. Otherwise, so far, it's been a little bit of a difficult day, but hopefully tomorrow we'll be displaying a good round of inside.
Hoping that tomorrow it will be a much better day with lots of sun and lots more people coming here to watch the display.
Yeah. Okay, looking forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Thank the team very much indeed for an excellent display.
Would you please make your way to Lost Children's Tent, which is located just in front of the funfair by the static line. So that's Jack Dye and Nathan Suter. Please make your way to the the Lost Children's Tent. And a message here that Caroline Griffiths, could you please meet Derek Temple at the information tent there near the static line. So if you are separated from your family and friends or children, if you've lost your parents, that's the place to go so that you can be reunited. And just a quick message here, if you were here yesterday,
front 2 and 3 at the back. They are going to pull up in a formation called a fountain. So we've got blades 1 and 2 out to the right, 3 and 4 was the commanding 4 squadron of Harriers, where he led his squadron over missions in Afghanistan and off the aircraft carrier. And he is probably the UK's most experienced display pilot. He displayed the Jet Provis, the Harrier, he spent... If you watch the outside 2 and 3 as they snap roll left and right. Now if you can move your attention to the inside too. Still with his smoke on is blade 4, Miles Garland. Miles is doing a couple of rolls to spin the aircraft going upwards in a cravat. You'll see smoke for blade 1, 2 and 3. The extra aircraft that the team fly has a roll rate of over 3. Now in order to join the team before they turn the corner, Miles is going to demonstrate an old air defence trick he learned when he was in the Air Force. That's a lag pursuit roll. Now blade 2 today is Dave Sloan. Dave's in his second year flying with the Blades, where he joined the team straight from the Red Arrows, where he was second in command to Red 1 as the squadron executive officer. Dave was a qualified flying instructor on both the Harrier and the Hawk. This is the box bend. So ladies and gentlemen, watch as the team slip into line of press formation. The Blades are about to demonstrate something that nobody else in the world does. They're going to pull up in close formation for the Blades hammerhead. So as the team swiftly move back into formation, the team are going to demonstrate a move some of you might recognise from the old Battle of Britain films. This is a Spitfire roll. Now blade 3 today is Andy Evans. Andy is the ambidextrous member of the team because he can fly on both the right and left hand side of the formation. Andy was the first tourist flying instructor. 2XL Aviation is the Blade's parent company and provides not only public and private So as the team disappear in front of us, watch the outside two men as they pull up for formation launch events.